Hello, my friends. Miss Clark is making my slides go backwards because it did not start at the right one. But today is Monday. I hope you had a fabulous weekend. I certainly did. It was really pretty weather out, and I hope you had a chance to get out and enjoy the leaves. They're all changing colors and falling to the ground. So exciting. But today is Monday, and we are going to start Unit 2. We finished up Unit 1 last week. Throughout Unit 1, we talked about tools. We talked about all sorts of tools. Last week, we made our favorite tool. Remember, my favorite tool was my blue light glasses. I'm actually going to wear my blue light glasses this week for our teaching. And we learned all about chef's tools. We learned about tools that can pound. We learned about tools that can cut. We learned about farming tools. We sorted tools into categories. And now, my friends, since we had all those tools and all of those tools we can touch, we're going to start something new this week. So let's go see. Let's find out. So first, we've received another envelope from headquarters. We're going to open up our envelope and let's see what they want to tell us this time. Let's find out. It says challenge have been completed, all for our Unit 1. Hello, first graders. The envelope of work you sent us, because Miss Clark sends headquarters all of your work. I keep all your pictures together and I send it on. It says that you showed lots of progress. Progress meaning we're working towards creating something that's needed in your classroom. During your first set of challenges, you learned about tools and choosing the best tool for the job. And then you looked at pictures and read from the book Tools by Anne Morris and learned that tools make work easier. You learned a lot, didn't we? Today, headquarters has another set of challenges for you. Just like before, you are going to learn about something that helps you do work. And just like before, you're going to learn about something that makes your life easier. This time, what you need is something that you do not hold. You do not hold. This may be tricky, but we know you can do it. Headquarters will check in on your progress to see if you're getting closer to achieving the mission. Good luck, first graders, and keep up the work. All right, thank you, headquarters. This is our learning target, and actually this is the learning target, our focus learning that we're going to work on today in small group, and it says, I can listen and respond, listening with the ears, responding with talking to my classmates' ideas, my friends' ideas, and we're going to do that today. And we're also, I think it missed a thing. Hold on, my friends. Nope. We're also going to make sure that we use our talking rules, our discussion norms. We're going to talk about this more today in small group, but I'm just going to go over them really quickly. We all know to listen with care. Listen with your ears with care. And remember, I touch my ears to help. Look at the speaker. Looking at Miss Clark instead of being in your chair and looking over here, or being over here and looking down at the floor. And I know there's a lot happening around, but you must focus on us, especially during small group, or you're not going to understand how to do your EL work. So focus, look at the speaker, at your computer. Take turns speaking. If we speak all at one time, it doesn't work because then we really don't hear anything. Stay on topic, especially during small group. And then the last one, and we're going to talk about this during our small group, respond to others' ideas by adding on or asking questions. And how we're going to do that is with these. These are called sentence starters, okay? Speaking and listening sentence starters. The first one is, I agree with and then you put someone's name in there because of this. And then the other one is I disagree, meaning you don't agree with them because I had this idea. And then the last one that's very important, I don't understand. What did you mean when you said that? Now that's when you disagree with someone, but they might have a really good point, but you're not really understanding it. So a way you can talk it over is I don't understand. What did you mean when you said that? That's just a nice way that when you have a problem with someone, when you're working with them and you didn't understand, you can find out, hey, I need help. Can you explain what you were meaning by that? We're going to talk about that during small group. So we're going to come back to that slide, but these are the new tools that we're going to be talking about on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and pretty much all this week. These are the new tools we are going to focus on that you cannot hold with your hands. These are tools that you use with your brain. So we're going to read over them really quick, and then we're going to go back to the first one, initiative, to write and draw about that today. So all of these tools are what we need to become effective learners. In order to learn anything, reading, writing, how to ride a bike, how to make cookies, math, science, anything, you will need these 3 important habits, okay? The first one is initiative. It starts with an I, initiative. I decide what needs to be done and I do it. And when they say take initiative, they mean get started. Don't wait. Don't wait till tomorrow. Do it today. If there's work to be done, figure it out and do it today. I ask questions to help me learn. So maybe I want to get started, but I don't know what to do. Well, then you have to ask questions of someone who knows what to do and have them help you learn. The next one starts with a C, collaboration. Collaboration is something you do with other people, other friends. I work with other people nicely, and I listen to other people's ideas and help make better ideas by thinking with others. Have you ever heard work goes better if you work together as a team? And we'll talk more about that one tomorrow. The last one starts with a P, perseverance. When something is hard, I keep trying. I challenge myself with something is hard and I keep trying and I ask for help if I need it. That's almost like the first one, isn't it? So let's go back and let's talk about the first one. Let's go back to the other slide. Initiative. Initiative is 2 things. I decide what needs to be done and I do it. I get started right away. So let me give you a for instance. If I wanted to make cookies, I know I want to make cookies. I know I'm going to need flour. I'm going to need sugar. I'm going to need milk. I'm going to need the tools, the bowls and the whisks to get it. And I'm going to start it and I'm going to get it done. I'm not going to wait. Because if I want cookies, then I shouldn't have to wait to ask somebody, oh, would you make me cookies? No, Miss Clark is a grown-up and I can do that. Another thing where I take initiative, my house needs cleaning. Now, I'm not going to ask somebody else to go clean it, and I know other people have other people come in, but I know what has to be done, and I'm going to go do it. I'm going to get my house clean. I'm going to do my laundry. I'm going to vacuum my floors. I know what needs to be done, and I do it. Now, the next one is I ask questions to help me learn. Now, if I had to clean, let's say, the outside of my windows, and I didn't know how to open the windows the right way, I'm going to have to ask somebody, right? Someone that knows how to open those windows the right way to come in and help me clean them, right? Ask questions to help you learn. And it's the same way for you, boys and girls. That's what you have to do. Take initiative. Think about what needs to be done and get started, right? So what you're going to do today is for your work is you're going to do a paper. It's going to be called the initiative response form, recording form. Okay? And this isn't a book, this isn't a page in your workbook. This is going to be posted on the Google Classroom. And what you're going to do is you're going to write your name right where it says name. And yes, you can write it because you're taking initiative to do your own work. And there's the two things again. I decide what needs to be done and I do it. And I ask questions to help me learn. So what we want you to do today, friends, is I showed initiative when. So draw a picture of yourself showing initiative. What did you do? Did you start your work in your reading workbook when you needed to? Did you go to the reading choice board and say, oh, I want to do Epic. I know how to get on Epic. I'm going to read these stories. That's taking initiative, friends. Okay? You're going to draw a picture of yourself taking initiative. When did you show initiative? What did it look like? And then after, how did you feel after you showed initiative? Write 1 or 2 sentences. And remember, complete sentences, not just 2 words. Start with a capital letter, do your finger spaces, and end it with a period. How do you feel when you show initiative? Think about it. Talk it over with someone in your family and write it down. All right, friends? So that is your work for today. Remember, it's posted on the classroom. It's not a workbook page. You are going to fill out this page. If you can't print it, just write out these, draw the little box and drew it on your own paper, or you can print it out. I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you shortly to help you with this and talk a little bit more about our sentence starters. Have a good day, friend. It is Marvelous Monday. Thanks, friends.